Hello everyone, it's Neil from Exterior Clean Melbourne. I'm working on a large school. At the moment we're doing a full building wash at this school, and I want to show you this. So this is, as you can see here, the parapets or awnings, whatever you want to call them, they're leaking quite badly, and all the screws and whatever else, you know, they're rusted inside, and hence the situation we've got here at the school. Now, I'm going to show you rust removal. Now, I'll make it look really super easy. If you start down here, you'll see where I'm talking about. Well, actually, it started at the top. Okay, now this product that I'm applying, it's from the US. Okay, you will not find it in Bunnings. Okay, we don't use products from Bunnings, we use specialty products that deliver results consistently, and that's part of the reason why we can offer this service and guarantee it, because they're tested and proven. But have a look at this. Just from the spray, look at what we're getting here. Like, it's actually disappearing in front of your eyes. Now, whenever you do this kind of work, always bear in mind that you're going to get a clean stain from where we've worked, right? So you can see that it's going to look slightly different. There's no doubt about that, because you're using a chemical onto a surface that's painted, and that surface is then going to react with that chemical and create a slightly off color hue. But have a look at this from what it was. And if you have any issues with rust or stain at your property, just let us know. Be happy to give you a quote. And whilst you're here watching this, you may as well get a chance, have a look at our other videos, and you'll get a range of the suite of services we offer. Bear in mind that sometimes when it's been dripping consistently like this, there may be some residual line marks left. You may not be able to get everything out, because what happens is it etches into the paint, and what we're doing here is we're working on that surface of the render. So we can't go too deep, because otherwise we'll rupture the surface and erode it, and that'll just create another problem in itself. So what I'm trying to say is that is a significant improvement to what they had, but it's not going to be like new. Okay, it's not going to be like this patch of render where there's been no rust. So as long as you understand that and your expectations are in line with that, we'd be very happy to give you a quote. Hope that's helpful, folks. Thanks for watching. Hey everyone, just removing rust from a Colourbond roof. As you can see here, well, it's actually a tray deck or a clip lock roof. The product we're using is safe for metal. Okay, we've just done this stain here, in case you haven't seen that video already. But have a look at that rust removal from a rendered wall. As you can see here, this is a product that we buy in from overseas. It's most definitely not from Bunnings, and we're just lightly placing it on, and it's slowly eroding off the rust. And it's, as long as you understand, with rust, depending on how long it's been there, it's not going to come out perfect. Okay, so like if you look at this wall, there are still some faint residual marks that will remain most likely. But if you looked at what this wall was like on the video, you'll see what I'm talking about. It was a huge difference, massive. And because we're up on the second story and they can't really, see the detail, it's absolutely gold. So as you can see here, I'll just put on another little layer of that. Just let that work away. We're going to be doing this windowsill as well, all through here, and up there, and then we'll just we're doing a full building wash on this property, so that's what we're up to. It's a school. Hope that's helpful, guys. And if you have a property at your house that needs some rust removal or any kind of exterior cleaning, have a look at the website, have a look at the YouTube channel, give us put an inquiry through the web, and we'll be in touch. Wishing you all the best.